Y'all, I don't know if I'm the only one, but my hair. So I had to shampoo. I shampoo my hair at least like once a month, like with like real shampoo, cause like I get dandruff, so I go in with Head and Shoulders, like just the regular Head and Shoulders. I think it's like mixed with tea tree, not the Head and Shoulders that came out for naturals. I haven't tried that one, but I go in with Head and Shoulders at least once a month, cause I need it. If not, it looked like snow coming from my head, okay? And anybody got time for that. But it's like this time I went in with it and it stripped my hair. My hair just like I don't even know, like my hair, if my hair feels disgusting. My hair feels disgusting. So I went to Target. And I normally go to Walmart, but I'm tired of Walmart not having like what I need, you know? And I just be having to settle. So I went to Target and I wasn't gonna get this. I wasn't gonna like, let me see. I wasn't gonna get this. I have not used this. This is gonna be my first time using this. I wasn't going to get it. But it says that, you know, moisture correct mask. I need to correct it. Like the shampoo stripped all of my oils. It stripped all of that out. And then the fact that, you know, it's made for high, you know, that P word, it's made for this, you know. So I'm like, okay, it's gotta be good. You know, sorry, right? But this thing was $22. 20 it was, what was this? It was $20.99 before tax. I didn't even want to. I just went to check out here. She checked, she scanned it, and I gave her my card. I don't even know how much it was after tax, but before tax it was $20.99. And so to show that this is my first time, I ripped it, but I'm taking the lid off. Smells good. What's in it? Protein. That's the only thing I'm here for. I need all of the protein. All of it. So it is a mask. And you keep it in your hair. How long is it saying? Trading treatment. Cover hair with a plastic cap and apply moderate heat for up to 30 minutes. Okay, I don't even... It smells good. I don't... See, look. Okay. I'm done with my hair. It's so soft. Wait. Oh my god, like you can feel the difference. Oh my god. Okay. I hate that my hair likes expensive stuff. I hate that, but you know, if that's what she needs to be, you know, back right, back good, feel like she got loving in her life, then we're gonna get the expensive stuff or whatever. So the rest of this video is about to be a voiceover. I do apologize. I don't know what happened to my mic, but I sat in this mask for 30 minutes. And also at Target, I stumbled across this Curls, I want to say it is, the Caviar collection. And it had my hair feeling so lovely. This is the leave-in conditioner. And then I'm using MIELLE Twisting Souffle. And then I am using Auntie Jackie's gel as well for the first time. This is the first time I'm using the gel. And as you can see, I am twisting it to my scalp. And then I'm 3-strand twisting it the rest of the way down. And that is because I do not like my edges to be poofy. I like definition all over. And this just gives me the most definition. And it seems to last longer as well when I do it this way. This is the finished product. Hope you guys like it. Bye, guys. Love you.